Did your Galaxy S24 update get delayed or cause some issues? You're definitely not alone in this, but here's the good news. Samsung has now resumed the rollout of the One UI 7.0 update for the Galaxy S24 series, and it seems like they've fixed the major bugs that caused the delay in the first place. Just recently, Samsung had to pull the initial One UI 7 update due to a significant bug that was discovered. The issue was serious enough that they stopped the rollout completely. But now they've released an updated firmware version that's designed to address those problems. The new version, with the build number as 928 NKSU 4BYD9, has already gone live in South Korea, which is Samsung's home market. This makes sense as they typically test updates there before expanding to other countries. If all goes well, we can expect it to reach more regions soon. So if you're a Galaxy S24 user, whether you have the S24, S24 Plus, or S24 Ultra, here's what you should do. If you haven't received the update yet, this newer version is likely the one that will be pushed to your device. However, here's a small tip. Before you update, it's a good idea to temporarily turn off your lock screen protection. The initial bug was linked to the lock screen, and while Samsung has likely resolved the issue, it's better to be cautious just in case. If you were one of the users who received the update before Samsung pulled it, the situation is a little more unclear. We're still waiting to find out whether this new firmware will be available for those who bought the earlier version. If you're one of those early users, keep an eye out for a patch. You might get an update soon, but we'll have to wait and see what happens. With this issue now resolved, Samsung can focus on bringing One UI 7 to more devices. The plan was to update more models by the end of April, including the Galaxy Z Fold 6, Galaxy Z Flip 6, and possibly other devices. However, due to the delay with the Galaxy S24 series, some updates might roll out into early May instead. For now, Galaxy S24 users are at the front of the line. If you don't want to wait for the automatic notification, you can manually check for the update by going to your settings, tapping on Software Update, and then selecting Download and Install. If the update is available, your phone will handle the rest. If you prefer a more hands-on approach and like to update your phone through a computer, the One UI 7 firmware is available on the Sammobile Archive. Just make sure to download the correct version for your specific model and region to avoid any compatibility issues. It's great to see Samsung acting quickly to fix the problems and get the updates back on track. With One UI 7 based on Android 15, users can expect smoother animations, better app optimization, and a cleaner, more user-friendly interface. But most importantly, people just want an update that actually works without causing any issues or crashes. And that's exactly what this new release is supposed to provide. So if you've been waiting for One UI 7 on your Galaxy S24, it looks like the wait is almost over. Depending on where you live, it may take a little longer, but the update is coming. Let's hope this time it goes off without a hitch. If you found this video useful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated on all the latest tech news.